Let's look at Chapter 12, Lesson 5, Extension, Drawing Figures on a Coordinate Grid. On each grid, make a figure following these rules. That it's a square, no 2 points at the 4 corners of the vertical axis have the same coordinate, so that's the y-axis can't be the same, and none at the horizontal coordinates can be the same either, so none of the x can have the same number. With these rules, I'm not going to just be able to draw a square. I'm going to need to think about how to position it so I follow these rules. I'm going to go ahead and draw over 1, 2, 3, and if I knew that I did that for 3 going that way, I know that drawing a square will be equal, so I need to do it for 3 going the other way. Now I'm going to be connecting the points, and I'm going to write out which points I used to see if I followed the rules. For this one down at the bottom, I can see that I went over to the right 1, which would be 1, comma, and I stayed on the line, which would be 0. At the very bottom, I went over -2, comma, and down 1, -1. For the one to the left, I went over 1, 2, 3, so -3, comma, up 2, +2. And for the top one, I am on the origin, so I didn't go over any, so 0, and I went up 1, 2, 3, +3. You can see that none of my y's or my x's have the same number. Use this strategy in order to find a square on your own for number 2. Remember, the y's and the x's cannot be the same for any of them.